Lenovo Legion Go Review. Best handheld gaming PC. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Introducing the Lenovo Legion Go, the ultimate handheld gaming PC that's about to revolutionize the way you play. From its portable design to powerful performance, the Lenovo Legion Go is engineered to be your gaming companion on the go. So let's dive into what makes this the best handheld gaming PC. The Lenovo Legion Go is the latest gaming handheld looking to topple the mighty Steam Deck. With its large 8.8-inch 144Hz display, powerful AMD Ryzen 1 Extreme processor, and detachable controllers, this Windows 11-powered portable gaming system has a lot going for it. I got some hands-on time with the Legion Go at a recent Lenovo event and was thoroughly impressed by what I saw. Lenovo makes some of the best gaming laptops and best gaming PCs out there, so it's not too surprising that the company's gaming handheld looks and feels like a premium product. This device is so cool that I'm still thinking about it over a week later. The Asus ROG Ally failed to overthrow the Steam Deck as the best handheld gaming console for playing the best PC games, but I think the Lenovo Legion Go has a real shot at challenging Valve's machine. Read on to find out why. Lenovo Legion Go hands-on review. Specifications. The Lenovo Legion Go, displayed in the header cell, column 0, stands out as an impressive technological offering. Priced at an enticing $699 for the base model, this device boasts a robust configuration, powered by an upgradable AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chipset. Accommodating storage options of up to 1 TB, users can store a multitude of files, media, and applications without compromising performance. Memory-wise, the device features a substantial 16 GB RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and efficient handling of resource-intensive tasks. Operating on the Windows 11 platform, the Legion Go promises a user-friendly and modern interface that enhances the overall experience. The display is a true marvel, featuring an 8.8-inch QHD plus IPS screen with a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels. The 16:10 aspect ratio and 144 Hz refresh rate provide a visually immersive and fluid viewing experience. Additionally, the display supports touch functionality, adding versatility to user interactions. The Legion Go is well equipped in terms of connectivity, offering 2 USB-C ports, a microSD slot, and a headphone jack. These ports allow for expanded connectivity options, catering to various peripheral needs. Its sleek and portable design, measuring at 8.27 x 5.15 x 0.79 inches, coupled with a weight of 1.88 pounds when the controller is attached, ensures convenience and ease of use for individuals on the move. Unfortunately, specific details regarding the battery life of the Lenovo Legion Go are not available at this time, requiring further exploration or manufacturer specifications for comprehensive information. Price. The Lenovo Legion Go is expected to launch in October with a starting price of $699. You'll be able to purchase it from Lenovo's website and retailers like Best Buy and Micro Center. Lenovo didn't disclose the handheld's entry-level specs, but we know the system will have up to an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip, 16 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of SSD storage. All configurations will feature an 8.8-inch, 2560 x 1600 LCD display with a 16:10 aspect ratio and 144 Hz refresh rate. Design and display. The Lenovo Legion Go might be a Steam Deck rival, but it looks a lot like a Nintendo Switch. That's thanks to its slim bezel, kickstand on the back, and detachable controllers. Despite the similarities, the Legion Go looks more sophisticated compared to the toy-like Nintendo Switch. At 11.8 x 5.15 x 1.61 inches and 1.41 pounds with the controllers attached, the Legion Go is a relatively large handheld. However, despite its size, it feels remarkably light when you're using it. Like the Steam Deck, this handheld has excellent weight distribution. Its plastic chassis feels sturdy, and while the whole thing is smooth to the touch, I never felt like the device would slip from my hands. Port-wise, the Legion Go sports a pair of USB-C ports, a microSD card slot, and a headphone jack. The 8.8-inch display is, quite literally, one of the Legion Go's biggest features. It looks enormous compared to the 7-inch displays seen on the Steam Deck. Asus ROG Ally and Ioneo 2S Lenovo claims the display hits 97% of the DCI-P3 color gamut and can achieve up to 500 nits of brightness. We'll need to bring the handheld into our lab to verify that, but to my eyes the panel looked bright and colorful. Speaking about visuals, the sharp 2560 x 1600 resolution and smooth 144 Hz refresh rate were pleasing to my eyes. I'm glad Lenovo decided to go with a higher pixel count compared to competitors with 1080p displays, since you're able to see details in greater clarity. I'd like to test games like Doom Eternal to see how the 144 Hz refresh rate holds up when playing a fast-paced FPS. But when playing the decidedly more relaxed Power Wash Simulator, I found the high refresh rate made the game appear to run smoothly. Taking a quick pause. If you're finding this review helpful and are considering the Lenovo Legion Go for your gaming arsenal, check out the affiliate links in the description below. It's a great way to support our channel while getting your hands on cutting-edge gaming tech. Now let's jump back into the gaming performance and see what this handheld powerhouse is really capable of. Controllers. At first, the Legion Go seems to have the same controller layout found on other gaming handhelds and most gaming controllers. While that's mostly true, there are some extra buttons that distinguish this system from its rivals. With controllers attached, the Legion Go has 4 face buttons, 4 shoulder buttons, 2 analog sticks, a D-pad, and 4 function buttons, which is all fairly standard fare for handhelds and controllers. Each controller has 2 buttons on their respective backs that act as back paddles/bumpers, similar to the Xbox Elite controller. The right controller also has 2 extra buttons on its side and a small touchpad underneath the right analog stick. The right controller also has a scroll wheel. When playing first-person shooting games, you can enable FPS mode on the right controller and then place it on an included controller base to use the controller as a pseudo mouse. Lenovo says the optical eye on the bottom of the controller gives you more precision and control. I found this to be true when playing Power Wash Simulator, where I was able to move the in-game nozzle easier with the detached right controller. Of course, using the right controller in this fashion is also great when using the Legion Go to browse the web. The scroll wheel in particular is a nice touch since it makes navigating pages easier. Specs and performance. The Legion Go I tested packed an AMD Ryzen 1 Extreme chip, which is the same processor featured in the Asus ROG Ally. That should give Lenovo's handheld plenty of power to run graphically demanding PC games. However, given our test results and my personal experience with the ROG Ally, I'm cautiously optimistic about the Legion Go's overall gaming performance. AMD claimed that the ROG Ally was twice as powerful as the Steam Deck. On paper, that appears to be the case. The ROG Ally's Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip is a custom Zen 4 APU. It features 8 Zen 4 cores and 12 RDNA 3 compute units. The Steam Deck also uses an AMD APU, but its CPU is based on Zen 2 architecture, while the GPU uses RDNA 2. This chip has 4 Zen 2 cores and 8 RDNA 2 compute units. Outlook. The Lenovo Legion Go is about to enter a crowded handheld gaming market when it arrives in October. However, its large display, detachable controllers, and unique features help it stand out. Hopefully, the system won't just be flash without substance. Lenovo says the Legion Go will feature the Legion Space interface, which is specifically designed for the Legion Go. My biggest gripe with the Windows 11 handhelds I've tested is that they offer no true alternative to the Steam Deck's SteamOS user interface. If the Legion Go offers a UI as robust and user-friendly as SteamOS, it could be a legitimate rival, and possibly the best handheld available. But as I said, I'll need to put the Legion Go through its paces to see if it lives up to its potential. Whether you're on a break, traveling, or simply kicking back at home, the Lenovo Legion Go is designed to adapt to your gaming lifestyle. Featuring a user-friendly interface, seamless controls, and long-lasting battery life, this handheld gaming PC is all about convenience and high-performance gaming in the palm of your hand. So this wraps up our in-depth review for today. If you found value in our Lenovo Legion Go breakdown, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps others find our content. Considering an upgrade? Our affiliate links in the description are your go-to resource for the latest deals. For more insightful tech reviews and comparisons, click the subscribe button and join our community. We appreciate your support. Until our next video, stay tech savvy and take care. That's all for today's video. I hope you found our video interesting, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.